Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing of a surprise product that I came across, and I believe that is going to be quite a lifesaver for me. So do you want to see? It's this Sparkle 36 ampere hour solar UPS 150 watts. It has a LiFePO battery. Now, why am I talking about portable power source or a solar UPS? Now, I live in a Broughton 9 sky zone. Even if after using best of the filter, sometimes you would not get the best image of targets like Pleiades from a heavily light polluted sky. For shooting these type of targets, we do need to travel to a lesser light polluted sky, preferably Broughton 4 or lower. Now, if I am traveling to a darker sky, I do not know whether that location will have a power. So I should have a power source, a portable power source that at least supports all my astrophotography gears for at least 6 to 8 hours. That covers one full night of session. Now, initially I was looking for a portable power source. I had seen many of the astrophotographers abroad. They're using a well-established available portable power sources, but when I searched for them in India, it was not available, or at least it was coming at a price point that I didn't feel was justified enough. So I started scouting for any local product which is made in India, and after doing some research, I came across this company which is based out in Pune, Maharashtra, called Sparkle. Their website link will be down in the description. You can go and have a look at that. Now, this particular model comes with a 36 ampere hour battery, and to my testing, I have been powering my CEM 40 mount and ASI 2600 Pro with cooler and the inbuilt dew heater on, and I could very easily say that even after taking 4 hours of subs, the battery was only 20% utilized. So I'm very confident that even if I add the autofocuser, the filter wheel, the dew heaters, this is going to power my equipments for one full night very easily. Now, before I go into a little bit of the description, let's quickly unbox it and come back. Now, welcome back. Let's go into a little bit of the details about this. So usually how I power is I have a 6 ampere 12 volt DC power brick, which is for the cooled astro camera, and also I have roughly almost the same spec DC adapter for my CEM 40. Now I plug this onto this 230 volt. In addition to this has USB power source, and it also has a direct 12 volt power source, and also a 12 volt cigarette lighter port in case your equipment comes with a cigarette lighter power source. This also comes with 3 LEDs, so in case you are trying to use this for a camping trip, you can use this to power 3 different LEDs. This is the UPS switch now, and this is the battery indicator, which gives the idea of how much power is left and what is the battery voltage. Now, in addition to this, the best thing that I like about this particular model is it has the power connection for solar, which means if you have a solar cell, a compatible one, you can actually, while going on a camping trip or my astrophotography trip to a dark sky location, you can carry that solar cell unit and charge this during the daytime. Now, nevertheless, it also has a car charging port, which means if you do not have a solar panel, you can charge this from the car using the cigarette lighter port. Another interesting thing is it also has this external battery source. Now, in case you are feeling that 36 ampere hour is not sufficient for you, you can always have an external battery connected to this. That is one very good feature I like about this. I can always carry additional batteries in case I want. However, the point to note is, in case you are switching the power from internal to an external battery, there would be a discontinuity, which means in case during a photography session, in case you drain out your internal battery and you would like to switch to the external battery, all your equipment is going to get shut down and then switch back. So that is not something you would like to do. So you have to pause the session somehow, switch to the external battery, and then redo that. But I feel one set of equipment, which means one mount, one cooled camera, filter wheel, focuser, and a dew heater, can very easily be powered for roughly 6 to 7 hours, which gives one complete night of photography session time. That's more than sufficient for one night, and you can always charge them in during the daytime and use it the next night in case you are planning for a multiple nights of photography session. I have also used this for powering my DIY equatorial mount. In case you haven't watched that video, please click on this link and have a look at that. Now I would say when I'm mounting my 8-inch GSO Dobsonian on my DIY equatorial mount and powering it with this one, it is very easily giving me 6 to 7 hours worth of tracking time with only 15 to 20% of the battery, which means the equatorial platform obviously is much less power intensive, and my Dobsonian, I was not using it for photography. So that would give you an estimated time that in case you are planning to use this for a star party, multiple nights of star party kind of an event, one single charge can very easily give you 3 to 4 nights comfortably of tracking time using an equatorial platform. So I have plans to go to some dark sky location where I will have a real field test of this equipment. I'll keep you guys posted. Nevertheless, there are some initial testing videos which are available. You can check that at the end of this video. Hope you like this product, and for my friends who are there in India, in case you are looking at a portable power source for astrophotography, this is it. Please go for it. Thank you. Clear skies. Bye bye.